Hi! Hello! Welcome back again sa YouTube channel. Um, Welcome mga future compañeros and future compañeras. Our vlog for tonight is to talk about myself. Baka maugulat ang marami. Sino ba to? He just exists in the YouTube channel. Yun. By the way, I'm Emerson Lactuan from Zamboanga City. But I'm now residing at Naawan, Misamis Oriental kasi dito po tayo na-assign, no? And I'm a registered criminologist by profession. I was graduate last 2008 at Universidad de Zamboanga, and I got my license back year 2009, and I joined the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology last 2010. Presently assigned at Iligan City Jail. Simple lang. Ang rason ko is it is my dream to be a attorney para makatulong po tayo sa kapwa, no? Especially our family and friends, and to know the law that exists in our country. And then, madami nang lumalabas na mga vlogging this time about sa batas, no? Kaya nga nagkaroon ako ng interest, which is malapit lang naman yung College of Law dito. I'm enrolled at MSU Law School, prestigious institution in Mindanao. Luckily, napasa po natin yung entrance exam and oral interview. I make this vlog, the law school journey. Mahabang-haba to na journey natin, mga kapanyero. Madami pa tayong mga vlog na gagawin in relation to journey in law school. Well, kaya nga as early as now, no, sama-sama tayo lakbayin ang journey, no, patungo sa ating target goal. This is a long-term goal, and karamihan sa atin, they are thinking taking a law degree is not just easy. Yes, masabi ko, it's not just easy, pero it's a challenge, no? Challenge in my part, while still I'm a working student and I have a family. May talaga, may difference talaga siya. Difference talaga siya na masasabi ko, kasi not like the ordinary days, not like the ordinary times na wala ako sa law school. I can spend all my time with my family, with my children, with my wife, with my friends. Pero this time, ang kaharap ko, books, memorizing provision, taking all notes. Yun, medyo talaga siya, may differences talaga during the time na hindi pa ako naglo-law school until now, nandito na ako sa law school. This is a long-term journey. Hopefully, samahan nyo ako, no? Hanggang makuha natin yung future goal natin. And if may mga tanong kayo or gusto nyong i-vlog natin sa susunod, just comment, no? Please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and click the bell button para at least updated kayo sa lahat ng mga videos natin na i-upload sa YouTube. And that's all for this night. God bless you and hope and pray na makakaya natin ang journey natin patungo sa goal natin. Diba mga future compañeros and compañeras? Thank you in advance sa pagsama nyo sa akin until makuha natin yung goal. That's all and bye!